Rupees 549 for an automatic room freshener sounds expensive. But after using it, I finally understood why people buy these. I was honestly tired of manually spraying room fresheners or hanging fragrance sachets everywhere. That's when I came across this automatic aromatic device. Interestingly, I remember seeing products like this almost 5-6 years ago, but I was always skeptical. Does it actually work? Is it worth the money? So I finally decided to order one. This is the Surf Blue variant, and the first thing that surprised me was the size. I expected a small gadget, but the box is huge. The packaging claims up to 2200 sprays from a single refill, which immediately got me curious about how long it would actually last. Inside the box, you get the automatic spray device, one fragrance refill, AA batteries included. Thankfully, everything you need is already in the box. Taking out the device, I was genuinely surprised. It's much bigger than expected, almost the size of a water filter candle. You also get a base stand so it can sit on a table, and there's even a mounting provision if you want to hang it on a wall. On the side, you have controls for power and spray intervals. You can choose between 10, 20 or 40 minute spray cycles depending on how often you want the fragrance released. But the interesting part is inside. Opening the front door feels like opening a gadget rather than a room freshener. Inside, there's the fragrance canister and the mechanism that automatically presses the spray nozzle. The refill is replaceable, and from what I checked, replacements cost around Rs 250. Now comes the fun part. Let's power it on. All I had to do was remove this battery tab and then switch it on. And there it goes, boom! The device automatically triggered the first spray. That was actually pretty satisfying to watch. After using it for some time, there's one thing you should know. Initially, you will hear a sudden hiss sound from somewhere in the room and wonder what just happened. A second later, the fragrance spreads and you realize the device has done its job. In daily use, this has been surprisingly convenient, especially when guests arrive. Instead of manually spraying fresheners around the house, I simply switch it on and let it handle everything automatically. The fragrance isn't overwhelming, which was one of my biggest concerns. It keeps the room smelling fresh without being too strong. The ability to turn it off whenever needed is another nice touch, so you're always in control. Final verdict: if you're tired of manually spraying room fresheners and want something automatic and hassle-free, this is worth considering. If you're looking for the cheapest fragrance solution possible, then traditional fresheners may still make more sense. But for convenience, automation, and a consistently fresh smelling room, I have been pleasantly surprised. Now, I'm curious to see which fragrance variant works best. If you have tried a different fragrance, let me know in the comments.